Yeah.
Mm.
Mm. Very nice. I don't think we have to say anything.
She said you had to say who you were.
I thought she said to show your face.
She said you had to say your name too.
Okay, I'm Sarah.
I'm Debbie.
And this is the Sweet Density Lab. Do you have to explain anything else? This is a Milky Way.
Snickers.
Ruler. And a
Balance.
balance. And a lot of stuff.
Well, let's see.
Hypothesis. Well, if density equals mass over volume, density equals mass over volume, and we cut the mass and the, wait a minute. Something about cutting it. You cut it in half. It would probably be just half.
Half. I think if you cut it in half, it's going to have half the density. If you cut it by a third, it's going to have a third of the density. I think the density is going to
Sounds like
change in proportion to the percent of the candy bar that you take away.
Sounds good. All right. So.
So,
Okay. Excuse me. So.
all right, so now we are going to measure the Milky Way bar.
Oh.
It's
Oh,
first.
Fine.
It's first.
Anyways.
Get its length in centimeters.
Okay.
Are we supposed to take
here's
it out of
the-
the bar? Are we
I
supposed to
think
take
we
it out
should
of the
take it
wrapper?
out because the wrapper's gonna. But we need to keep the wrapper because it says
Yeah,
something about.
we need to
Can you
check.
hand me that plate,
Yes, ma'am.
Maestro? Okay, nuts.
Use
What's
it.
with that?
So it doesn't scratch my table.
Oh. Okay.
Spoken like a mother.
Your mom.
Yes.
Anyways.
Alright, here we go. Remember, that is the Milky Way.
Don't throw it away.
No, I was just going to set it aside.
Oh.
Because we have to look at
Stuff.
stuff on there.
Anyways.
Okay. Oh, part of what we need to look at is on that part over there.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry. That's not good. Wait, it says. I did it wrong already. Okay. Oh, we can totally read that.
Right, 52.2 grams.
Anyways, but
okay, we'll
forget
need that for later.
now.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we need the length in centimeters.
Alright, the length is. Well, 8.8 or 7.
7?
7.
8.7?
8.75.
8.75 centimeters. Okay.
Would you like to do the honors of the width?
And the width? I think if you're going to make me do the Snickers and I do the Milky Way.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Dang it.
Okay, width.
The width is 2.95 or 3? Or 2.95.
2.95 centimeters?
Yeah, big.
Alright.
And the height.
And the height. How tall are you? Not very. That's hard to see, isn't it?
It is. Dadgummit. 1.8.
1.8?
Yeah.
Now we need to do the calculations for volume.
What am I doing? There we go. 8 error.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So calculations for volume, centimeters cubed.
What?
I don't know what to do.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's okay. Let's see. Alright. Don't we just add them together? The length, width, and height? Okay, hang on. I'm going to use the wonderful internet.
That's over 5, that's 2.15. That's 1.8. I don't think that's right. Well, reppers in grams.
Or would you multiply them?
That's what I was wondering. Let me try that.
Wait.
To get cubed, don't you multiply? Hold on a minute here. Yeah, I believe you multiply them.
Multiply them? Okay. Well,
Is
but
that-
first we have to put the calculations. So that would be, you just 8.75 times 2.95 times 1 point. That is the worst 8 I have ever made. You don't look like an 8. There we go. Okay. So 8. What did it equal?
I got 46.5 centimeters cubed.
Alright, so what did the mass in grams do? Like 52 point...
Yeah, it was
52.2.
52.2.
52.2 grams.
Measured mass in grams. So now when we put him on this little
Haha.
cute thing.
Awaken. Wake up.
Ooh,
55.3.
We got more for our money.
Okay.
That's awesome.
I'm guessing we
Now,
used 55.3 because
Did
that's...
we do that volume correctly? Because we're going to need that number to figure out the density.
I think we did that right.
Do you think we did it right?
Yeah.
Okay. Length times width times height is volume.
Let me see. Oh! When you say it that way, I'm pretty sure it is. Let me see.
I know it's area.
Let me see. Sure, let's do that. Nope, that's not right. Hang on.
It's not. I did.
No, I think that's right, but
oh,
I mean...
okay. Let's look.
Yeah, length times width times height.
Okay, so we did. good.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, probably should look that up before.
Yes, we should have looked that up
Okay,
before.
show calculations for density. Okay, so
Density
equals mass over volume.
Equals mass over volume.
And
So-
density was a P, right?
Yeah, it's that little cute P.
Alright, equals mass over volume.
So density equals. Now we're taking
mass
the actual.
is 55.3.
Yeah, the actual.
Yeah, we're not going to take what it says on it.
0.3 grams over 46.5 centimeters cubed. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then divide it.
Do we have to do something?
It'll be grams per
Is it
centimeter
grams per centimeter cubed?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I thought, but I wanted to be sure. So we take 55.3
And divide it by
divided by
46.5
46.5 equals 1.19.
Right. So
1.19 grams per centimeters cubed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, oops, hang on.
Do we have to cut this thing?
Let's do the Snickers bar before we start cutting.
All right. All right, Milky Way. Over here you come on your wrapper. so we know who you are.
Who you are. Yes.
All right, we're going to look on this first.
And go ahead and write that
Yeah.
down. What does it say? 52.7.
52.7
So that was
grams.
right here. 52. I'm gonna let you tear that one, but it doesn't really matter.
It doesn't
anymore.
matter now. But I'm not hungry, so it won't be fast.
Just rip it open.
This is great. I've been doing this with Limburger cheese.
Ew. Why would you even think that?
Should have done it with Kit Kats.
Take a break.
Beautiful. Okay.
Oh my.
What?
Throwing knives around here.
Don't throw the knife. That's the next lab, not this one.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Accuracy and precision.
Yeah. Woo. All right.
Heather, can you come out here?
That's not nice. We're going to throw 5 knives and see.
Anyways.
9.6.
Nope, I'm gonna trust you on that because I can't see.
Oh, I'm glad you trust me.
9.6 centimeters.
9.6 centimeters. Gee, this one's longer. All right. The width. The width is... Wow, like 2.95. Just like the other one.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's good.
Almost 3, but not quite. And how tall are you, Snickers? Let's see how much you've grown.
Snicker, snicker, snicker.
We'll mark it on the wall so we remember.
Uh-huh.
We look like we are about 1.6. You're about 1.6 high. You've grown.
Let's multiply. 9.6 centimeters times 2.95 centimeters times 1.60 centimeters.
Oops, I always forget to put the centimeters in.
Voila.
Voila. Let's do our little magic. You want to do it?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll take the honors.
That's awesome. Well, you are the honors.
Anyways, 2.95.
I have the grades, but not the honors.
One
Don't understand.
point. Now is not the time to be having a midlife crisis. Okay, 45.3.
Wow.
45.
I'll remind you of that in 50 years.
Centimeters cubed. Anyways,
Oh, yeah, not grams.
grams. Where are you coming from?
Graham's house. Okay.
Ha ha, nice pun. We have to weigh it.
Yeah, we do. All right.
They went to sleep.
Come here, baby.
55.8.
What? We got 9. Wow.
That's creepy.
This is great. We got nice big
Okay, wait,
candy
but look at
bars.
this. Both of them,
They're both bigger.
yeah, but like exactly the same amount of bigger. Both of them are 3.1
Isn't that...
grams bigger than what it said.
That is so awesome.
They just so confused.
I think it's wonderful.
Well, yeah, but okay.
Okay.
So
So,
density equals
mass over volume. Density equals
55.8
55.8 grams over
40.3
centimeters
cubed.
equals... Oh, I'll let you do the math.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I turned it off. Why did I do that?
Why did you do
55.8 divided by 45.3 equals 1.23.
Aw, 1, 2,
Grams.
3.
You can count for centimeters cubed.
Of course, that's why I got
Oh,
into,
I keep putting it on the
that's how I
wrong
got
thing.
into, that's how I got into college, because I could count.
Yay, that's how you pass the compass.
That's how I passed compass, by counting. Okay.
Now we have to
What do we gotta do?
get violent.
Cool. But what's this 1, 2, 3, 4?
1, 2, 3, 4. We have to label them.
Each one in half. Okay.
Yeah, and then label them.
Okay. So
Each piece with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So.
Okay.
Paper.
Paper. Plastic. I haven't done that since I was in school.
Good kids at home, kid.
I haven't done that since I was in school.
We're in school now. Want to look the other side?
No, ma'am.
Oh.
She's so fun. I'll show you how I do it.
Got a problem with how I do it? Oh, I didn't do it
Not entirely.
perfectly, but you know what?
Oh my gosh. You are definitely. Honey, that you had 4, now you got 5.
I know that.
Glad you're not cooking.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I can't even get the thingy in the
Do you want me to
thing.
write the numbers on there? Well, you gotta cut it in half.
Be my guest, darling.
1. 2. Careful. 3. 4. All right, baby doll.
This is the Milky Way.
Yeah, Snickers
Okay.
is sitting on Snickers. And Snickers is shiny and Milky Way is matte finish. See? Isn't that cool? And Milky Way
That doesn't
is fatter than
matter.
Snickers.
Don't listen.
Cut it in half.
Shh.
Just cut it in half already.
For my next trick.
Exact. I'm kidding.
That pressure dough.
No pressure. Just do it. Do it, do it, do it. You can do it. Oh, come on.
There we go.
Don't.
Oh my gosh, it's sideways.
That's okay. It'll make it interesting. All right. So,
I
we're
dropped something.
going to call you number 1. And we're going to call you number 2. So let's take number 1 and...
Nice.
You're making a mess.
You scared him.
That's just wrong.
Sorry.
Okay.
Couldn't help myself. Okay. Oh, I scared him too. Keep that to yourself, darling. Okay. I'm talking to Candy.
So, I think you need to do all the same things, right? Length, width, height.
Yeah.
Hopefully it didn't get any taller.
Oh, you fatter.
You know, the funny thing is it's not even, so it's not as long on
I'm
this
sorry.
side.
Do the short side.
Average.
4.5.
0.5.
4.5.
I think you should average it.
4.
I'm just kidding. Okay. It's width.
Don't ask it that.
I don't think it's very sensitive.
I think it'll be about the same width as
Well, I
last
hope it's
time.
the same.
Yeah, at 2.9.
It better be.
It got fatter.
You scared it. It's because you squished it when you cut it.
Your mean comment made it go into overdrive and eating
I'll
mode.
tell you this, if it's wider right now, then it's shorter. When you do-
I didn't
when you do
squish
the
it.
height.
I didn't squish him. Or her, or whatever it is. It's a candy bar.
It's an it.
Oh, sorry.
Getting chocolate on my ruler?
Oh, I'm sorry, darling.
Do this at your house next time.
Yeah.
All you do with your son.
What?
1.
One crud. 1 point, what did I get last time? 1.8. Let me see what this is. Yeah, 1.8.
Okay. Okay. So, we are going to do the value.
Well, yeah.
4.5 times 2.95 times 1.8. 23.90.
Well, I'm gonna write down 2.9, the multiplying thingy, times 1.8. What did it equal?
Hang on. It ended at 23.90.
Probably just 23.9 because of
Okay.
sig. Well, it would probably just need to be 24 because 4.5. Well, 4.50. We'll go with 4.50. 0.9 centimeters cubed.
Okay.
Alright.
Calculations for density.
Well, measured mass. We need to measure the mass first.
Oh, oops.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
I got ahead of myself.
Turned off on me again.
I goofed up. Sorry. You didn't need to put all this in here, did I?
Oops. Hang on. I just messed this up.
Okay. Well, isn't that the measured mass?
Yeah, we're measuring the mass.
23.9.
That's the volume.
Oh,
Okay, 29.3 is the mass. Instead of anyways.
29.3 grams.
Alright, calculations for density.
Density equals mass over volume.
Ah, I did a D instead of a P.
Mass over volume.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it equals
It equals
29.3
yeah,
over
grams.
3. Yeah, I got that. Centimeters cubed. So we've got 29.3 divided by 23.9. These are dyslexic.
They are.
They're opposite of one another. 1.23. Density equals 1.23 grams per centimeters cubed.
Huh. Our
Wow.
hypothesis was uber wrong.
Way wrong. The density got bigger?
Well, yeah, but that's probably because it's not exact measurements.
That's wild. Okay, well, all right, we're done with you,
Well,
number
it
one.
does kind of make sense, though.
Okay. There you go. There's number 2. Number 1 over here. That's wild.
Yeah, I didn't cut this exactly in half. My
I
apologies.
don't know that anybody could, really. That's okay.
Excuse you.
What did I do?
You moved the table.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. For 4 point.
Four.
It's pretty much exactly 4.
It looks like 4.
Yeah, I didn't cut those right.
Okay. Hopefully the width will be the same. And the height.
Yeah, it should. The width and the height should be the same.
It should be, unless you squeezed it.
I did not squeeze it. Yeah, 2.8 or 2.95. Sorry. And then,
How tall are you?
yeah,
Same.
yeah.
Okay. Now, are you writing, for the volume, are you writing out 4.00 times 2.95, or are you just putting the answer there?
I'm writing it out.
You're writing it out? Okay, you're just making room for everything.
Yeah.
I didn't do that before.
Yeah. I'm writing uber small.
Yeah, that's what I need to do. Okay. So you've got 4. You've got straight A's times 2.95. That's almost a B average. 1.80. Uh-oh, not so good. 21.24. 21.24.
So 21.2. Sig figs.
Oh yeah, 21.2. Sorry. I'm thinking about sig figs.
Okay.
All right.
And the
Now-
measured mass.
Now, honey, you gotta get on the scale.
No.
Must
Never.
be a female candy bar. 26.
Wow. 26.
26 grams.
0 grams. And now for our fancy smancy little thing.
26.0 grams over 21.2 centimeters cubed. Okay. We've got 26 grams divided by 21.2. It's 1.23. That's pretty cool. It equals 1.23 grams per centimeters cubed.
At 1.23? Holy cow!
Isn't that fun?
How did that work?
Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
I would have never guessed. That's weird.
So the average density would be
1.23.
same thing,
Yes,
yeah.
it's the same.
don't
The
even have
average.
to do any.
Wow. That's kind of funny.
Don't have to do any.
Gee, I hope
Stuff.
my candy bar behaves as well as yours did. You did good. You cut it pretty good in half there,
Sent mine
kid.
on a little course, behavior therapy. No, that doesn't make sense. Anyways, have a knife.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come here, baby. I'm gonna take this first. Eyeball it.
Ow! Mother, you did not cut that in half.
It's just so disturbing. Okay, number 4. Oh, God, that's
That is a lot bigger.
I'm sorry. I'm old.
What does that have to do with anything?
I can't do this. All right, number 3.
Be positive.
Yep, that's my blood type.
Really?
Yeah.
That's creepy.
Isn't that neat? It's yours too.
No, I'm negative.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm B positive.
I'm B negative.
With
I'm
figures.
grumpy cat.
Grumpy Gills. Okay, so we've got 4.5 pretty much, I would say, for the length.
We should be putting our blood type on the internet.
4.5, in case we need some, huh?
Yeah.
4.5.
We can't do this all night.
Well, we just might. We have enough candy
Oh, I
bars.
hope not.
I don't know. It could be a
Has
fun
to
way to
be
eat
in
candy all
by
night long.
11:59.
With. How white are you? We've been doing
Like, what did
homework
I
all weekend. We
do?
are slightly slap happy.
I haven't.
Confession time. I have 2.95. That's what I get. That's what I'm
Yeah,
talking about.
yeah, 2.9.
I didn't
What
squish
am
it.
I doing? I almost put it in the wrong thingy.
You got love.
I'm not awake.
Okay. How
Got
tall are
Batman
you,
in my
sweetheart?
head.
How tall are you?
Tall enough.
Yeah, you are tall enough.
Hey, now it's fun size.
I've got like about 1.6. It's the same.
Yeah.
1.60 centimeters. All right, now
Now
I'll let
for the
you do
math.
math. Your turn.
4.50 centimeters times 2.95 centimeters times 1.60 centimeters, and that brings our grand total to. I have to put it all back in.
Something centimeters cubed.
That's a great deduction,
Thank you.
Robin.
Holy
Okay.
density. Holy volume.
Oh my heavens. Okay, 21.24. Nope, sorry, 21.2 centimeters cubed. Oh, hey, it's the same as that other one.
That's very cool. See?
Mm.
Ooh, I cut it just like yours.
That's creepy.
Okay, measured mass is 0. Oh, no, that ain't right.
Hang on, take it off. You did it the same way I did. You gotta let it, hold up, don't jump the gun. There we go.
27.6
Perfect.
grams. It's heavier because there's peanuts in it. That's what it's all about.
Those damn peanuts, though.
And that's what-
Okay.
So that means the Snickers bar would fill you up better.
Oh my gosh.
Proof.
I need to sit on that.
All right, 27.6 grams over 21.2 centimeters cubed. So the answer, that is the answer. The answer is...
You sound like Mr. Freeze. It's creepy. Okay.
To make this interesting.
1.3.
1.3. 1.30?
Yeah.
1.30 grams per centimeters cubed. Okay. I
Oh, I
think
forgot
my
my
candy
key.
bar is going to be denser than your candy bar. That means mine will fill you up better.
That means mine's smarter.
That means mine's...
Special.
I'd rather have mine in a pinch if I was hungry. Alright, let's look at our length. Our length is 4.9 4.95 centimeters. I did not cut straight.
No,
I
you
thought
didn't.
I did not cut straight. But neither did you, so it's okay. Is our width the same? Did we grow any? No, we're still 2.95. And we are still 1.8 tall.
Dang, we're short.
Mm-hmm.
1.8 or
1.6, I'm sorry.
Okay, I was like, what?
I'm not with it. Alrighty, now we do the math.
No.
1.95 centimeters times 2.95 centimeters times 1.6 centimeters equals, yeah,
4.95 times 2.95 times 1.60. Put that in the batch computer, and you get 23.4.
centimeters cubed.
Yeah.
And you put these on the little scale and you get 28.2.
That is a terrible 3. That is a terrible 3.
That's a horrible 3.
Sorry, what?
28.2 grams.
Okay. Anywho, next.
Density equals mass over volume
Equals
28.2 grams over 23.4 centimeters cubed. I will never eat a candy bar the same way again.
You're gonna do this every time?
Be kind of fun.
Oh gosh. I think I'll pass. 28.2 divided by 23.4.
23.4. Sí. Bueno.
Wow, this one's different. 1.21.
Mm-hmm. So you're going to get to find out the average.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do that?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes.
Good girl.
So do.
She can be taught. Okay, so 1.3.
Being taught you in grade school.
My teachers.
Ooh.
I'm just kidding. Equal. Oh,
Yeah, you're
and
not
then
a
I have to
homeschooler,
divide
sure.
it by. Don't bring that up. We're gonna get some harsh comments. All right. P
Be the first
equals 1.26 grams per centimeters cubed.
They're almost.
Oh yeah, but the other ones are almost like too.
Yeah.
But they're the same amount. No, they're not.
Nope.
Huh.
That's cool.
Confusing.
Average density for
Now
each.
I think for the rest of this.
Wait a minute.
What?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I guess that's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, and I think for the rest of this, we can do this without.
I think you're supposed to do the whole thing with that.
No, she said you can do the paperwork off of it. The experiment needs to be
Oh.
on the film. I mean, if you want to film us doing this, we kind of. It's more for her to watch.
Yeah. She can shut it off.
All right, if it makes you sleep better at night.
Just for now.
All right.
Looking at the results. I better look at the results.
Of your experiment. What happened to the volume, mass, and density of the candy bars after you cut them?
Well, the volume did what I predicted. The volume was like reduced, right? Or was it?
The volume and the mass decreased. However, the density increased.
Yeah. Okay. That's what happened. The
Mhm.
volume and mass decreased, but the density increased. That's fascinating. Well, it stayed about the same, did it not?
It increased a little bit. Look, see,
Are we just
in
looking at
this
the
one-
averages? Well, we're just looking at the averages, right? Looking at the averages, the density, yeah.
Yeah, the density
The average
increased.
density increased slightly. Not much.
Mm-mm.
That's really fascinating.
Okay. The density of aluminum is 2.7 grams per centimeters cubed. If you cut your sample in half, what would happen to the density of that sample? It would most likely increase.
It would most likely remain virtually the same, or only
Well,
increase
yeah.
slightly. It seems like it remains virtually
Yeah.
the same.
Okay.
That's fascinating. But it makes sense now that I think about it. That's fascinating.
Or increase slightly.
Oh, I know the answer to the next one.
Do tell.
Oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
The density of liquid water is 1.0 grams per centimeters cubed. If you place the candy bars in a tub of water, what would the candy bars do? They would sink because their density is greater than 1.0.
Mm-hmm.
So they're more dense than the water, so they would sink.
Yeah.
Duh.
Now we're going Russian. Okay.
Then we could figure out their specific gravity if they were
We're not doing
rocks
that
and
yet.
minerals.
Overachiever.
You bet.
Wow, I just went blank. Oh, they would sink. Okay.
Because they
Yeah, because they're denser than
density
the
is
water.
greater.
Yeah.
Cool beans. They're even denser than, let's see. Well, they're not denser than salt water, though. They would probably float in salt water. Because salt water is 1.3. Which candy bar was the most dense?
Yours.
Snickers. Dumb candy bar. Poor thing.
Why do you think one candy bar is denser than the other?
Because it has peanuts in it.
It does, but look, this little layer has fluffy stuff.
Yeah.
But this
It
one does
has-
too, but this one has more caramel and more peanuts.
It has more caramel and it has peanuts. It has more stuff in it.
Okay.
I'm going to say because it has peanuts. Well, it has more denser material in it, right?
Snickers. Well, but the first part could be the Snickers has peanuts, and what is the reason you believe this to be? Because yeah.
Yeah. Snickers has peanuts.
And more caramel.
Yeah, it does. What's the reason you believe this to be? It's the way it was made.
Because
peanuts
it
and
has
caramel
more
are more-
squished into a
Peanut-
smaller capacity, into the same capacity that the Milky Way does.
Well, peanuts and caramel are more dense than nougat, than that fluffy nougat stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of like the water and, peanuts. For your conclusion.
Discuss findings, what you learned, possible mistakes, how you change what you did to improve your results, etc. Do you want to do this off?
Off camera. Off the
I
record.
need to think.
Yes. We need to think. Off camera.
Ooh, slipping.
That was fun.
Yay, yay. Dang it.
We don't want her to watch us eat them anyway. It's just not good.
Oh gosh.